Hey guys, ready for Sonance here, back in our video. So in this video, we're going to continue with the start finish series. In the previous part, we make a breakdown, so in this part, we're going to work on the build up. Besides that, we'll be doing some mixing on the breakdown as well, so let's get it started. So let's dive into the project. What we got so far sounds like this.
There you go, let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me chase that pussycat. There you go, let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me chase that pussycat. I'm a dog, don't tweet that.
So I think we're going to start off with
Dog,
looping
don't
this
tweet
part.
that. Tweet that.
Actually, this part.
Tweet that.
So let's cut it. Make it unique. And see how it sounds.
Dog, don't tweet that. Dog, don't tweet.
It's a little bit too much, so we're gonna make it one bar.
Dog, don't tweet that. Tweet that. Tweet that. Dog.
Just like generic to add a fade out to it.
Dog, don't tweet that. Tweet that. Tweet that. That.
Then just loop it.
Dog, don't tweet
Just
that.
like
Tweet
this.
that. Tweet that. Tweet that. Tweet that. Tweet that. Tweet that.
So that's 4 bars, then we're gonna add another 4 bar
Tweet that.
with a shorter vocal, so just double it.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Just like this. Then we're gonna automate it. So write it to a new channel. Copy over the settings. And we're gonna add an end of smile to it.
Tweet, 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 tweet,
Giving this effect,
tweet, tweet.
which is quite dope in my opinion, so let's add it.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Let's go for this one.
Dog, don't tweet that, tweet that, tweet that, tweet that, tweet that, tweet that, tweet, 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 tweet.
Last bar are gonna be empty, so just like this. Let's see if we can do something with a pitch as well. So create animation clip.
Tweet that, tweet, 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 tweet.
Yeah, just giving a little bit extra, so it's quite dope. So then we're gonna add a build-up loop from the pack. Yeah, I really like this one, so fit it to the tempo. 125 it said, so just like this.
Don't tweet that, 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 tweet that.
Really speeds up the workflow, those build-up loops.
Dog, don't tweet that.
Yeah, perfect. Maybe we can add in this last one as well. Gonna route it back to the original channel.
Dog, don't tweet that.
Yeah, perfect. Of course, we're gonna copy over all the effects, so I just copy over all the effects down like this.
I'm a dog, don't tweet that, 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 tweet, 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 tweet. Dog, don't tweet that.
Yeah, that's sick. So now we're gonna continue with the bass line. We're gonna add that one as well, so bring down the harmonics automation.
Chase that pussycat. I'm a dog, don't tweet that, tweet that.
And let it open up during the build up. Something like this. It really fills it up. Of course it needs a sidechain.
I'm a dog, don't tweet that.
Because we got a kick playing in the build up, so
Chase that pussycat. I'm a dog, don't tweet that, tweet that, tweet that, tweet
great animation there. Because we don't want to have the sidechain enabled to break down. We're also gonna low cut it, so and an EQ to it. Just like this. Create animation clip with it. And let it open up during the build up.
Chase that pussycat. I'm a dog, don't tweet that, 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 tweet that.
Sounding like this.
Tweet that, tweet that, tweet that, tweet that, tweet that, tweet that, I'm a dog, don't tweet that.
So I think the build up's quite getting there. So we're gonna work on the mixing of the drums right now, of the breakdowns. So starting off with a clap. Just add every element to a free mixer channel. Then we're gonna create a drum buff. We say that we're gonna start off with the bass line just a little bit lower in volume. Drop it to minus 6 dB. And then just fill in a clap. Doesn't need much processing. Sounds quite dope right now, so just gotta form right. Just like this. Then we're gonna add the open heads. Just like this. We're gonna spread it out a little bit. With the stereo imaging sounding like this. Just to add a little bit more width to the song. Then we're gonna add the closed head. Which is pen, of course. I want that one quite high in volume, so leave like this. Just to emphasize the groove a little bit more. Then it's time to add in the vocal.
There you go, let me beat that. Let me test the
quite louder now, so
let me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me chase that pussycat. There you go, let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your
yeah,
feet
that
wet.
sounds way better.
Put it in reverse and repeat that.
So we're gonna copy over the volume to the build-up vocal as well.
There you go, let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in
Bass
reverse
will be a
and
little bit
repeat
louder.
that. Let me chase that pussycat. There you go, let me beat
Then we're gonna
that.
compress the
Let
drum
me test
bass.
the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me chase that pussycat. There you go, let me beat
So
that.
first one
Let
is
me
just
test the
to
waters, get your feet
catch
wet.
the
Let me
peaks.
put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me chase that pussycat. There you go, let me beat that.
Then I wanna add
Let me
some
test the
soft
waters, get your
clipping.
feet wet. Let me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me chase that pussycat.
Just lower that
There you go,
threshold
let me
and
beat that. Let me test the waters,
push
get your
the
feet
post
wet. Let
gain
me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me chase that pussycat.
till it gets around the same loudness.
Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in
It
reverse.
just pushes the drums a little bit more as well. It's quite common in hip hop, so
There you go, let me beat
we're gonna
that.
do it in house
Let me
as
test the
well.
waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse.
Now let's
There you
see
go,
how the
let me
effect
beat that.
sounds.
Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me chase that pussycat. There you go, let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet wet.
Overall
There you
volume
go,
will
let
be
me
a
beat
little
that.
bit
Let me
too loud.
There you go, let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet wet.
So just drop it a few dBs for every
There you go, let me beat
thing in
that.
the
Let me
build up,
test the waters, get your feet
the
wet.
breakdown.
Let me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me chase that pussycat. There you go, let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me chase that pussycat. There you go, let me beat
Just
that.
like this.
Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me chase that pussycat. There you go, let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me chase that pussycat. There you go, let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me
Now we're gonna
chase
check
that
the
pussycat.
levels of the
There you go.
build up. Let's see if the levels are proper as well.
Dog, don't beat that, beat that.
Now build up looks a little bit too louder now, so
Beat that, beat that, beat that, beat that, beat that, beat
mix it
that,
in.
beat that, 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 beat that. I'm a dog, don't tweet that.
Yeah, that's perfect. So I think we got a build up ready. The breakdown sounds quite cool as well. So that's it for this episode. In the next part, we're gonna work on the drop. So stay tuned for that. Also, if you like the video, please hit like. See more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
Hey girl, let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me chase that pussycat. Hey girl, let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me chase that pussycat. I'm a dog, don't tweet that, tweet that, tweet that.